Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Just a heads up, this is not the regular videos that you are used to see. This is not one of those videos that I plan out, that I script, that I know exactly what's going to happen throughout the video and I know how it's laid out. This is a completely unscripted video. It is probably going to be the worst performing video because I didn't do my attack optimization and it's not a positive topic. Just to say it out. For everyone, if we have not met before, my name is Luke. I'm a full-time content creator for Twitch and YouTube, and you can find all my socials down in the description below. But if you care and you want to watch me live, I'm live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10:30 a.m. MST. Like I said, link in the description. This is a video that I felt like I needed to make after watching Halos' video over on YouTube. If you have not checked it out, it's linked down in the description. It will be the first link, and then I also link it in the card up here. I highly recommend you watching that video first before watching my video. This video is her really opening up to what has been going on after Mixer shut down and she has been moving to Twitch. Halos, she was a really successful streamer on Mixer. She has been getting a lot of traction, at least in the last few months. Especially in the last few months. And it's been really hard because then Mixer shut down almost out of nowhere and we all have to move over to Twitch. And what a lot of people see is what we expected, an insane drop in viewership, followers, subscriptions, you name it. But on the other side, it's even harder to now see people that have been really underperforming on Mixer accelerate on Twitch and reach new heights every single day, that we're wondering why are we not achieving this. To give you a little bit about background about myself, I am one of these fortunate people, to say it, and I'm grateful for it. Please don't take this the wrong way. I was doing extremely poorly on Mixer, especially in the last few months, and now moving over to Twitch, it has been new possibilities and opportunities have been opening up that haven't before. And I was fortunate and lucky enough that my YouTube channel, the video you're watching right now, has been taken off so well over the last few months that now I can still pull this audience over to Twitch and kind of fast track the whole process. But there's two things that I worked on a lot when I switched over to Twitch, and I think it's something that a lot of people can help as well. And the first thing is I blocked out every single statistic that I can. Over on Mixer, I used to have my follower, my viewership, all statistics up on my second monitor, and I paid close attention to it, and my mood and my reaction sometimes were so drastically affected by a new viewer coming in or a viewer leaving that it really messed me up mentally, and it wasn't myself anymore, like not at all. Now moving over to Twitch, I have 0 up. All I have looking at right now is the chat. I don't see how many people are viewing. I don't see how many people are in the chat. I don't see how many new followers or subs or whatever came in during the stream. All I see is the chat, and it helped me a lot to just be myself. And it is hard. I want to check my statistics so bad, and sometimes I find myself taking a little peek at it during my stream, and I can feel in the same second how it's pulling me down again to look at the number. So if you're struggling with that, I would highly recommend throw it all out. Don't look at it. You're getting an email from Twitch at the end of your stream with your Twitch summary, how many followers, average viewer, peak viewer, and you name it. And this is the only thing that I'm looking at. And then of course I'm taking a look at it over time because I want it to go up. I want to be more successful and reach new heights. But I stopped looking at anything else. I also stopped looking at other people. And while I'm still enjoying everyone else's stream, I stopped looking at their viewer count. I stopped comparing their follower count to what it was last week to what it is now, because it drove me down. It buried me when I was on Mixer to see other people accelerate so quickly, and I was just thinking why this is not happening for me. So when I moved to Twitch, I made this promise to myself that I will never again look at any statistics besides the overall growth and direction of my own channel. And so far it helped me so much of just being myself and having this weight lifted off. And I would highly recommend you try it out. The next thing that I think a lot of people have is there's been a disconnection. After we moved from Mixer to Twitch, it's basically, it was like a breakup. And I know it sounds silly for a lot of people, but Mixer was, people were comfortable on Mixer. People were paying their bills with what they were doing on Mixer, and they got it ripped away. And now they're starting pretty much from zero again. And I think the most important thing we can do is, if we need to, take time off from streaming and really go back and evaluate why you started streaming in the first place, and maybe go back to seeing this as your passion, your love, and take a step back and not see it at work for a little bit. Sorry, this is, like I said, this is not scripted. This is just what's going on right now in my thoughts. And it is really sad to see how many people are struggling right now. So if you need to talk, hit me up, and I know some of you have, and I try to take the time out to reply as much as I can, and if you want, we can talk on Discord and whatnot. But what helped me the most is getting rid of statistics, because even though it is nice to see how many viewers you have, it's good. I did it for my ego, and it is just take a step back and go back to why did you start streaming in the first place. Go back and answer that question for yourself, and then turn on the stream, turn the statistics off, and I promise it'll be better. If this video was helpful or anything, let me know down in the comments, share the video. I hope you guys have a good day.